How to fix SIM card no service issue on Android. So if you want to fix SIM card no service issue on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the network and internet option. Once you're under the network and internet, tap on SIM card and mobile network. Go with the SIM in which you're facing the problem and scroll down, go with preferred network type, choose 2G, and again go with preferred network type and use 4G. Once you've done, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back to your settings, go with search or the magnifying icon which is on the upper right, and search for reset. Once you search for reset, you will have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Just tap on it and then reset your Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Once you've reset, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and turn on your airplane mode for a minute and again turn it off. Now you need to restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix your SIM card no service issue on your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.